Okay, today I just want to give a little advice to my own young or those that are still even aspiring to become barista. Yeah, it's true we have been talking about calibration, how coffee looks like. Yeah, one of the very important things you should note that will help you in your coffee journey as a barista. It's you knowing the taste of coffee, how that taste the coffee should taste like. And for you to know how coffee should taste like, it's for you to know how your coffee should look like, your good coffee should look like, it's by you drinking that coffee daily. What do I mean? You can't be a barista. You cannot be, say you're a barista and you don't drink coffee. For you to be able to know your coffee better, to know when this coffee is good and perfect, you should be able to drink this coffee daily. Let it become a habit, or let me say an attitude for you. Once you enter into the cafe, the first thing you need to do is take a shot of espresso, or you try your B60. Why so? This will help you as the barista to be able to know when this coffee needs some adjustment. For instance, if I tasted this coffee yesterday and it was pleasant, I liked the taste, and today I drink this coffee, I try it and I feel like this is not what I had yesterday, the results are not same. So maybe, like we said, extraction time is between 25 to 30 seconds. You might extract that espresso still within this time range, but it is not 100% certain that you get the same result. What will help you as a barista is you tasting that coffee. So if you had tried that coffee previously and you see today this coffee is not tasting the same, what happens is you start asking yourself questions, what might have happened? So that will maybe push you to look at your grind size, maybe check your water temperature, maybe check the way you tamp your coffee, or maybe check the quantity you used. These are one of the variables, some of the variables that can affect your espresso, that is making your espresso to be either under extracted or over extracted. So my perfect advice for you as a barista is, once you get into your coffee shop, yeah, it's true, some baristas, they use the pretext that coffee has got a lot of caffeine. They won't be able to drink coffee because they find it very difficult for them to sleep after duty. Yeah, but that's not an excuse for you as a barista. As a barista, you must be able to drink your coffee daily. So once you have some changes in taste, you can be able to identify. Make it a habit and thank me later. Very important. Meanwhile, let's try this latte. If you are a barman and you want to join our coffee classes, do well to send us a DM and we will get to you. Your favorite barista, Coffee Master.